Maybe I'll just do my stand-up act. Check my new content.
Jav, enable the waiting room. Don't let in anyone who is suspicious, please.
Yeah.
'Nandish, have you whatever? He can enter, right? If he
Yes, I've unlocked the meeting right now. So
okay,
if he
that's
wants to.
good. Unlock the meeting, right? Five people entered the waiting room.
Ma'am, he is here.
Pratik sir is here.
तने कैसे देखा
Pratik
वो?
is
मैंने
here.
नहीं देखा था प्रतीक.
Our
Name
host-
is
his
Arav
name is
Chitala. Wait.
why?
Can anyone see me?
Yes.
We
Sir.
can all
Yes,
see
we
you.
can.
We can all see you, sir.
So I'll go
Hello,
live on
hello.
Facebook.
Hello. Can anyone see me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
We
sir.
can all see you, Pratik.
Oh, okay, okay.
How are you? Look at you. You're so tired. One live after the other.
अरे डोंट आस्क मी यार, आई एम सो सॉरी आई गॉट लेट. एक तो सुबह से शूट था, शूट से सीधा भागा तो बॉम्बे के ट्रैफिक ने ऐसा फंसा दिया था कि सब लेट हो गया.
कोई बात नहीं. We will try not repeating the same questions because I'm sure તમે હેરાન થઈ ગયા છો.
ના ના, ધેટ્સ ઓકે, ધેટ્સ ઓકે. હવે ના મને હવે આવડી ગયું છે જુદા જુદા એક સવાલના જુદા જવાબ આપવાના.
Oh God, guys, that is Pratik, the real scamster. But Pratik, તારે પાણી વાણી પી લેવું હોય તો are we good to go? Are you fine?
Cheers, I got my tea, so cheers.
Oh God, he's sitting in Bombay and still showing us chai. Damn it. But I know there are many things. Okay, awesome. Wow. Okay. So, guys, without further delay, we've all been waiting for this amazing session with Pratik Gandhi. I'm not giving a formal introduction. I'm going to leave it to the student, but I'm just going to tell you informally, Pratik. When we said Pratik Gandhi is coming, the one thing that echoed all over, "Arey, apno Pratik." And it's so nice because other than people from my university, Pratik, there are people from outside, people from London who've logged in because they're huge fans. And Pratik, ऑडियंस में जो लोग बैठे हैं उसमें कई सारे बच्चे हैं जिनकी पहली पिक्चर रॉन्ग साइड राजू थी, जिनका पहला प्ले मोहनो मसालो था. They know you from that time, Pratik. So when people are telling कि Pratik Gandhi वो scam वाला, they are like, हट, तुम तो scam से जानते हो, हम तो उसको बहुत पहले से जानते हैं.
अरे lovely.
Pratik, seriously, true to the title, you are Apro Pratik, and for us, you'll always be the Pratik Gandhi who Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and the youngsters really, really look up to. Pratik, thank you. Atla Badha, you're extremely tired, I know. Thank you for taking time out, coming to talk to all the students and ask questions. The format is very simple. We're going to pick up questions and quickly shoot it to you. We'll try not repeating questions so that it's easy for you to sort of handle this, yeah? So you finish shaking hands with the cute guy near you, and I'm going to hand it
That's
over.
my, that was not a cute guy. That was my wife.
Oh, Bhamini, another theatre performer, guys. We will ask questions about the power couple a little later, but I'm going to hand it over to a student, Pratik, called Nandish, and Nandish is in love with you as a director. He's an aspiring film director. As someone whose first film was Wrong Side Raju, he watched it for the first
Oh.
time. Yeah, and he practically has a crush on you. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further delay, अपने मुंह के आजू बाजू की जो भी लाड़ है उसको पोंछ लीजिए. It's over to Pratik Gandhi and Nandish. Nandish, over to you, darling. Nandish बौखला गया है, कैसू कहूँ? Nandish?
Okay, so Nandish, before you say anything, I love you, man.
मरी गयो, मरी गयो, मरी गयो. You serious? Nandish, are you there? I will just take over otherwise.
I think you should, ma'am.
Wow, he was so prepared. Okay, Pratik, so let me just start with the first question before Nandish takes over. My question to you is, Pratik, simple. You are no longer Pratik Gandhi belonging to only your family and to yourself. You are everybody's Pratik. What are the pros and cons of it, Pratik? Are you feeling the pressure? Are you feeling the heat? Are you feeling good about it? Quick thing.
It's a very, very interesting feel. And first of all, thank you very much for having me. And I'm sorry that you guys had to wait. But the most exciting thing about coming live with you all, when yesterday Preeti, when she sent me that this is the creative, Apro Pratik. So I laughed like anything, and it felt so good because ये ownership जो है ना, sense of ownership, that sense of relationship, कि આપણું જે છે ને, so this is very rare that you get. So I always consider myself as the lucky guy, you know, who's being loved by so many people. मतलब आप कुछ भी कर लो, चाहे आप इंजीनियर हो, चाहे डॉक्टर हो, चाहे एक्टर हो, चाहे सिंगर हो, कुछ भी हो, पर इतना प्यार मिलना is not easy. So thank you very much for all the love. And as far as the question is concerned, so yes, it is the same feel. I am absolutely overwhelmed. मेरी लाइफ अब मेरी नहीं रही, लोगों की हो गई है. ये जो
Correct.
डायलॉग है ना, इतना फिल्मी, वो
हाँ.
एक्चुअली वैसा हुआ है. एक्चुअली वैसा हुआ है बिकॉज मैं पूरे दिन सुबह से शाम तक एक कोने में बैठ के सिर्फ ये स्क्रीन को देखते रहता हूँ और जवाब देते रहता हूँ. पहले 5-6 दिन मुझे लगा कि यार ये तो कमाल लाइफ चेंज हो गई. फिर 8वें दिन से लगा कि बस यार अब ये चेंज नहीं चाहिए. अब मैं वॉइस नोट्स बना देता हूँ और सबको भेज दूंगा कि सेम आंसर, सेम क्वेश्चन के सेम आंसर है. But then you realize that it's not about the question answer, it's about the love that they, you know, want to show, the love that they want to communicate. And I mean, this feel, I guess, मेरे अलावा कोई शायद नहीं समझ भी नहीं पाएगा. So even people around me would, you know, tell me constantly कि यार अभी पक नहीं गया है, अभी मतलब बोर नहीं होता है एक का एक जवाब देना.
हाँ.
But I feel ये बहुत interesting phase है और भगवान ये मतलब बहुत किसी को देता है, तो I am chosen one. So thank you very much.
No. In fact, as I'm saying, you know, people have been sending me messages constantly. Ki how, you know. So anyway, other than that, Pratik, the other question to you is, before I still wait for Nandish to come, is that the dialogues of Scam 92 are very famous. But Pratik, as a true stalker of yours, more than the dialogue, what I really loved is something that you had said, not in the series, but લોકો એ કીધું તને કે overnight, કે fortnight માં you got a success, to which Pratik Gandhi said that this fortnight has come 15 years of hard work later, right? So Pratik, quickly to say that the journey from theater to scam, how would you sum it up? What does it mean to you? And I know people are going to ask you questions now that will you come back to Gujarati cinema? Will you leave theater? Because we still love you and know you as Pratik Gandhi, the theater vado manas, you know. So the journey from that to scam, you know, those 15 years of hard work, Pratik, what?
See, I would describe it in this way, or I also understand it this way, that it's a very organic journey for me. That I started in school, then inter-school, then inter-city, interstate competitions. Then I shifted to Bombay. I started working in different theatre groups. I started working in experimental theatre circuit. Then BR happened. Then all this while I kept doing multiple jobs in Bombay. Then I picked up full-time corporate job. I did a lot of different things, you know, like hosting kids' birthday party to hosting corporate shows to hosting kitty parties and all those things that I did, make them play games, dance with them, make them dance. I also took up tank cleaning projects in Ville Parle societies. I also took up cell site installation projects in Bombay. All this to survive in Bombay and to consistently work in theater. Because one thing was for sure that experimental theater was not able to give bread and butter to me.
Correct.
And if I want to do that, I need to survive. And I have to create that ecosystem around me, you know, which will help me choose the project, which will give me that freedom and that faith also that I'll be able to manage myself. Don't worry. Money will come as a byproduct. What I need to do is get finished in my craft. So I kept doing that. And when I actually look back now, Preeti, what I understand is that I'm the chosen one for whom God never created that elevator that would put me from ground floor to top floor.
Oh, Bapre.
I was the chosen one to climb each and every step. And each and every step had a lot of things to offer to me as a person, as an actor, in my craft, in my journey. And I guess that's the only thing that I have right now, which nobody will be able to take it from me ever.
Yeah,
so
and I'm sure
સૌથી ધનિક માણસ છું અત્યારે.
Touchwood, Pratik. And I think that is the reason why another word that everyone has associated with you is humble and grounded. Everybody. You know, કે આ ખાલી આપણો પ્રતીક નથી પણ માણસ એટલે ખરો છે, you know. That has been throughout the students, teachers, and જેટલા બી લોકો છે, you know. So that's something. And now Nandish is like hyperventilating. Nandish, over to you. ફરી બેહોશ નહીં થા, તને મારી નાખીશ ત્યાં. Nandish?
Yes, ma'am, he's here.
Okay,
Just setting
awesome.
up a few things.
Okay, wow. Like what?
Like his connectivity.
Guys, but
who's the guy with this lighting chair, man? It's
Hello,
a rockstar chair.
Thank you, sir. I've been sponsored by this company.
Oh my God.
these
It's code
kids,
Toasty for 5% off on Z chairs.
Look at my condition. Nobody even sponsored this. I
Pardo.
had to buy this. Pardo પણ મારે જાતે લેવા જવું
Better
પડે.
brands coming for you, no, sir.
But you know, the irony, Pratik, before this guy comes in, is with your surname of Gandhi. You play the role of a scamster. You know, I love that whole contradiction. कि एक तरफ गांधी का surname है और दूसरी तरफ हर्षद मेहता, you know, known as whatever. Is a.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I love that thing, and you did it so well. You know, okay, Gandhi karu padi. It was like that. But okay, please unmute Nandish. And this is my last shot. If Nandish is not asking, I'm getting into full journalist mode.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
now
Give me a
shooting
second.
questions to Pratik.
Thank God. I texted like 7 people, ma'am.
Sorry, my bad.
Okay, Nandish, over to you. Then we take questions. Fatapat.
Yes. So I'm not going to introduce Pratik anymore.
You
Not
can.
going to waste time. Exactly. And sorry for all of this. Pratik sir, it is a little known fact that Wrong Side Raju was not your first film. Your first film was yours emotionally. if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
And okay, I'm not going to introduce that film as well. It is better people hear it from you. What my question is that back in 2006 or 7, I guess it was.
Yeah, 2006.
Yes. So doing such a film back in the day when people were not that accepting towards such content, what made you do it, or what was the experience like in general?
Okay, so guys, yours emotionally was a film for LGBT International Film Festivals, and it was screened only in those festivals back then in 2006. It never got a theatrical release because it was not even meant for that. So we had one or two private screenings here in British Council, Bombay, and those places, only for the film critics and those people. When this film was offered to me, I went there. I auditioned for it, and while auditioning, I understood that I was not able to relate to what's happening, what's there in the script, because frankly speaking, as he also rightly said, that back in the days when people were not so much aware about LGBTQ, what is it, these other communities which are there existing, and I also would admit that I had no idea about it कि ये क्या है, कौन लोग हैं, किस तरह से जीते होंगे, क्या करते होंगे. So, जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, जब मैंने ऑडिशन भी दिया, तभी भी मैं थोड़ा स्कैंडलाइज हो गया था कि यार ये कैसे होगा, इसको शूट जैसे लिखा है उसको शूट करोगे कैसे. Then I was told by the director, Sridhar Rangayan was a director, and he told me that this is how it is, Pratik. There are a lot of technicalities involved in this, but this is what we want to communicate to the world. And it's a very sweet little story. So I spoke to my father about it. My father my entire family is into teaching business. So my father is a teacher in Surat, they are all teachers.
Wow.
My father is a teacher in Surat. Mother is a teacher in Surat. And I spoke to my father, આવું કંઈક છે પપ્પા, શું કરાય એમ. મેં કીધું કે આમાં વિચારવાનું શું હોય યાર. So there are two things. If you know it, you better do it. If you don't know it, all the more reason to do it so that you know and understand. And as an actor, you should always explore. So my only idea was to do is to learn about it and to explore the other side of mine, because I was actually challenging myself, my comfort zone, that the kind of dialogues, the kind of expressions, the kind of scenes that we were shooting, I was just not at all comfortable understanding it, because it was very difficult for me to process that how it happens. And then when I shot this film, I stayed with those guys from those community, LGBTQ community, and they were there with me. We were staying together. We shot it at Rajpipla, Manvinder Singh Gohil's Raj Palace.
Maharaj.
That's where Maharaj Manvinder Singh Gohil. And I met him. Then I knew about his life. There are a lot of things around it. Cut to after so many years, I guess in Baroda or Ahmedabad, one of the literature festivals, there was this panel discussion, and I was also invited after Wrong Side Raju only. Somebody asked me that, didn't you feel ever that people will now look at you in that fashion, that you have done this character, or maybe you are also one of them and all. I answered that same thing then. Okay, if I do it, it doesn't mean that I am one of them, and if I don't do it, that doesn't mean that I am not one of them.
Kya baat hai?
So it makes no sense, right? This question makes no sense to me. I'm an actor. If I perform Ravan tomorrow, that doesn't make me Ravan. Or if I perform Ram, that doesn't make me Ram. I'm an actor. My job is to create characters. And that is just what I wanted to do. And that's what I did with that film.
That's amazing. That's people constantly finding out and asking more questions. Nandish, you want to take the next, and then I open
Yes, ma'am.
the box? Yeah.
I was talking to Preeti, ma'am. Your wife is into theater as well, so both the parents are in the theater, and the whole household is like in the theater. What is it like in that situation?
Oh, it's a very interesting situation, yaar. Very, very interesting situation, जब झगड़ा होता है तब हम दोनों एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं कि नाटक मत कर. फिर बहुत क्रिएटिवली भी हम लोग झगड़ा करते हैं कि यार ये लाइन अच्छी है, स्टेज पे यूज करना, इधर नहीं.
Oh my God.
But jokes apart, so most of the time, these creative discussions, and there are a lot of things that we keep discussing, though we don't discuss much of in each other's work that way, because that's an individual's call whether you want to be a part of this project or no. There's only one play that we did together, Sar Sar Sarla, and we are still searching for a script for the film that we can work together, though we have announced one film with Anish Avartan. Yeah, so it's a very interesting scene at home. We both are critics to each other, so घर पे ही सब हो जाता है हमारा. So बाहर के critic कुछ भी लिखे पढ़े उससे हमें फर्क उतना नहीं पड़ता, because घर पे पूरा हो चुका होता है वो discussion.
But for all those, please follow Bhamini also. She's a stellar performer. I've seen Sar Sar Sarla, and I think for a moment I thought, oh my God, she's the star. Sorry Pratik, but I'm just saying.
No,
so for
please,
me,
please.
So there are no Abhiman moments between you both at home, like Amitabh and Jaya kind, no?
नहीं, अभिमान मोमेंट तब होता जब मैं ऐसा सोचता कि मैं बेटर हूँ. मैं तो सोचता ही हूँ कि वो बेटर है, तो पीरियड ना बात ही खत्म हो गई.
Very good. But coming to scam, there are a lot of questions about scam. Before we come to questions, Pratik, there are very interesting comments. एक दो बच्चे बोल रहे हैं कि उन्होंने तुम्हारे वेब सीरीज से इतना सीखा कि वो 2 साल कॉमर्स में भी इतना नहीं सीखे. One comment I'm just giving you. The quick thing I wanted to ask you, which I know is a repetition, but in preparation for the role, did you also interact with friends and families of Harshad Mehta? Because there are not too many documented videos. So research work pote tame su karyu. I know this is a done to death question, but anything where you personally also met the family first, what did you do in terms of research for Harshad Mehta's role?
Okay, so see, research was a very interesting part, specifically for Harshad Mehta. And I'll tell you that biopic characters are very interesting to perform on stage.
Correct.
Right? I had been doing these kind of biopic characters on stage since quite a long time now. My first biopic character was Hu Chandrakant Bakshi.
Bakshi.
So Bakshi is what I had created on stage. Now, then Mohan Masala. So Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. એની પહેલા પણ મેં 2-3 monologues કર્યા છે. Those were not 2 hours monologue, but half an hour, 45 minutes monologue. And all these biopic characters. So for biopic characters, like for Bakshi also, there was only one video available with Jay Vasavda, that interview that he had taken. And no other videos available. I had never met Bakshi. Similarly for Scam, I had never met Harshad Mehta. एक आध video था उनका, which is with Pritish Nandi. That's Correct. The only video that I could see. The only reference with me was whatever that I read about him. And that too was very interesting because apart from the real characteristics and something, most of the theories that I read about him, सब लोगों की अपनी theories थी. तब शायद मीडिया और सोशल मीडिया इतना नहीं था, इसलिए मैं बच गया. Otherwise तो इतना कुछ मटेरियल मिलता कि it would have been difficult for me to understand Harshad Mehta in literal terms, I could not meet the family directly, but yes, I met a lot of people who have worked with him closely, who were associates, who were there in the BSc ring when he used to go as jobber. I sat with them, I discussed that how he used to talk. So there are interesting insights that I got, that he was a charmer.
Oh.
Yeah, and he had that ability to charm anybody through his talks. And he used to sell different theories to an extent that people used to believe that there is something like this must be existing in the world of finance. And the best part is that he was convinced with himself, with his thought process. Now that's an interesting point, which doesn't make him hero or villain, but that makes him human. वो खुद इतने convinced थे अपने thought process से, अपने approach से, that he never felt that he's doing anything wrong. So we actually got this particular thing highlighted in the character and made him human. हमने उसको ना hero बनाया, मैंने as an actor, it is very correct. Sometimes it is very easy कि एक angle से character को approach करो and then you start performing and then I can prime the audience right from the first frame that he's a hero. Or I can prime you that he's a villain. But here the challenge is that I am not supposed to be biased when I approach the character and perform it. So my approach to the character was absolutely, I was supposed to be absolutely neutral. Just make him human. Think like him and react like him. So सबसे interesting चीज यही होती है acting की कि जैसे ही director action बोले acting नहीं करना.
क्या बात है.
Just react, make that moment live, and that's where you can make it more realistic, where people can relate to the moment. So most of the people, when we see a lot of such performances, we feel that यार it's happening in real in front of your eyes. कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये किसी के ड्राइंग रूम में सीसीटीवी लगा दिया है और सारे मतलब रियल मोमेंट्स आर कैप्चर्ड एंड वी आर लुकिंग एट. So if you want to achieve that kind of performance, then we refrain ourselves to be caricaturish when it comes to portray a character, real life character like Harshad Mehta, because it was very easy to mimic or to make him caricaturish कि नहीं वो arrogant थे तो हमेशा वो अलग ही arrogance में चलोगे, अलग ही तरह से चलोगे. But there has to be a graph of a character from his early days when he was a dreamer, achiever, confidence. Now the entire journey from confidence to overconfidence to arrogance to ego. At each and every place, it's a very subtle journey, So I had to portray a person who could not understand the changes that were happening in his own attitude and approach. But his alter ego, who was Ashwin Bhai, who was constantly, telling him, don't do it, stop it, stop it, stop it. But वो अपनी journey में इतने थे कि he just could not see it. And that's when you actually, at one point, you get confused whether to, hate him or to like him. And so that was the whole idea. That it was open for the audience to interpret.
Right.
So मैंने ये characteristics कुछ पकड़ी थी, उस हिसाब से character बनाया था. And that's the same process that I use for theatre, for Gujarati film or Hindi film, anywhere.
Right. No, I think, and that's what you said. No, that's beautiful, because there's one point, Pratik, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया whether to like him or to hate him, and that's what I think is the success of how beautifully you portrayed the whole thing. Pratik, random questions, shooting in random order. One, which has been the biggest failure of your life? बच्चा पूछ ही रहा है, and how did you overcome it?
The biggest failure of my life, I guess. Okay, there were multiple.
Wow.
Multiple. So first is कि यार 10th में बहुत अच्छे परसेंटेज आए, फिर 12th साइंस ले लिया. 12th साइंस में मुझे लगता था अब तो डॉक्टर बनना है, बस खत्म हो गया, मतलब डॉक्टर बनना ही बनना है. तो 12th में मेरे 88 परसेंटेज थे. सॉरी, पर तब वो अच्छे माने जाते थे, ऐसा नहीं है. तब सबके 99 नहीं आते थे, है ना. अभी 99 इज कॉमन, तब 88 वाज गुड. फिर 12th साइंस ले लिया, और 12th साइंस में आई गुफ्ड अप बिग टाइम. इट वाज 67. तो मेरिट्स इतना हाई था गुजरात में कि ना मेडिकल में मिला, ना डिग्री इंजीनियरिंग में मिला, एंड आई हैड टू टेक अ रूट ऑफ डिप्लोमा इंजीनियरिंग. फिर मैंने डिप्लोमा मैकेनिकल से जर्नी शुरू की. तो तभी मतलब ऐसा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट था कि यार पूरा क्लास, सारे दोस्त, एवरीबडी विल फिनिश देयर इंजीनियरिंग इन 4 years, and I will be the only one who will either finish in 5 years or 6 years, because 2 years of diploma, then 3 years of degree, or 2 years of diploma, 1 year of job, and 3 years of degree.
Wow.
और गुजरात में तब ऐसा था, आई डोंट नो अभी सिनेरियो क्या है, कि डिप्लोमा टू डिग्री की 2 ही सीट्स होती थी. सो फर्स्ट 2 रैंकर्स ऑफ द होल स्टेट विल गेट एडमिशन फ्रॉम डिप्लोमा टू डिग्री. अब मैं थोड़ा होशियार था, पर इतना भी नहीं था कि फर्स्ट 2 में आ जाऊं. तो मतलब डिप्लोमा में भी, डिप्लोमा मैकेनिकल आई स्कोर्ड डिस्टिंक्शन, but I was not in first 2, so I lost that chance. And I never wanted to settle for diploma. I always wanted to go for graduation.
Right.
So गुजरात का तो रास्ता ही बंद हो गया था, because payment seat and all टीचर के बच्चे पॉसिबल ही नहीं है वो. तब था भी नहीं वैसा कुछ सेटअप, तो वो तो मतलब कोई गिनती का सवाल ही नहीं था उधर. One of my friends was studying he took admission in जलगांव. मैंने 1 साल जॉब किया सेल्स में सूरत में, और मतलब कांस्टेंट ऐसा होता था कि आई जस्ट कुड नॉट स्लीप कि व्हाट एम आई डूइंग विद माय लाइफ. व्हाई ओनली डिप्लोमा विल नॉट हेल्प मी. आई नीड टू ग्रो. आई केप्ट डूइंग दैट थिएटर इन सूरत, बट समवेयर समथिंग वाज कांस्टेंटली अनकंफर्टिंग इनसाइड मी. Somehow I met that guy and he said that you can get that admission in Jalgaon. I spoke to the principal, and the first line I spoke to him is, sir, percentage इतने हैं पर पैसा एक भी नहीं है, आप बताइए एडमिशन होगा तो आता हूँ.
क्या बात है.
And he laughed. He said कि मतलब थोड़ी तो फीस भरनी. नहीं, इस फीस का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर, but if it's a payment seat, then that's an issue. Then he called me there, so I spoke to my father. Now my father was a teacher in Surat, and अच्छा, he had no idea beyond a point that अभी आगे कैसे जाओगे तुम. Now you find your way. You tell me if you find something interesting and I'll help you get there. डैड को लेके फिर मेरे एक अंकल के साथ गए थे जलगांव एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई टुक द एडमिशन. सो 3 साल जलगांव में, फाइनली मेरा इंजीनियरिंग 6 साल में कंप्लीट हुआ. तो ये एक्चुअली बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर था मुझ पे कि वहां पर फीस गुजरात से ज्यादा थी. साल की 40,000 की फीस 3 साल के लिए. तो मतलब ये जो पैसा था ना, ये बहुत बड़ी बात थी यार. और ये ऐसा प्रेशर था कि डैड ने सिर्फ इतना बोला था कि यू मेक योर वे, वॉट एवर आई कैन डू आई डू, बट ओनली वन थिंग विल हेल्प यू इज योर स्टडी.
Right.
और तब जी सिने स्टार्स की खोज और ये सब नया नया शुरू हुआ था. तो सूरत के जितने थिएटर फ्रेंड्स थे ना, एवरीबडी हैड अप्लाइड एंड 1 or 2 of my close friends थिएटर के, they got through. They reached in first 15, first 5, first 3. And I was constantly thinking कि अगर सूरत होता तो ये कर लेता यार.
अरे
तो यार मतलब, and that was my last year of engineering. तो ना यार मतलब छुट्टी लेके जाऊं, करके आ जाऊं, एटलीस्ट ऑडिशन तो दे देता हूं, क्या होगा पता नहीं. बट आई डोंट नो यार, I guess I was sold with that idea that let's finish what is there in front of me right now. बाकी सब देखेंगे बाद में. So that engineering happened and I guess that's the best thing that happened in my life. But ये failure का जो scene है ना, why I elaborated here, because ये failure वाला ऐसा है कि it's not one moment. It's a continuous process. And you take it in your life that it's going to be a continuous process. The more you accept it, it doesn't sound like a failure. It's just a part of process. And then things change. Your thought process change.
Correct. And as your famous dialogue in Harshad in Scam itself says, "Kena pachilu
Success
chapter."
क्या है? Success क्या है? Failure के बाद कहना chapter.
बजाओ सीटी बच्चा लोग. But that's brilliant. I know you have another live. Quick questions, Pratik. Theatre. What does theatre mean to you? And most people who we know, once they take off from theatre, वो literally चावल फेंक देते हैं. वो वापस आते नहीं हैं. And I know I can be brutally honest with you, Pratik. What are your plans? कारण कि हवे everybody will want a bit of Pratik Gandhi. You know, in movies, in OTT. What happens to theatre, and how close is that to your heart?
सी अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर ने आके तुरंत सेंचुरी मार दी, फिर अगर उसने नेट प्रैक्टिस बंद कर दी होती तो नेक्स्ट सेंचुरी मार ही नहीं पाता शायद.
बराबर.
So theater is that to me. You know, theater is actor's gym is what I consider. That's where we go and practice and get ready for those knockout punches in mainstream cinema or mainstream commercial world. So I guess theater is such a place that I don't think I will be able to leave ever, because that's where I come from. So abhi to I'm waiting for theaters to start so that I can just put up my shows now. क्योंकि जो ऑडियंस को पहले घर जाके लाना पड़ता था, शायद वो जल्दी आ जाएंगे.
Correct.
अब टिकट बेचना शायद थोड़ा आसान हो जाएगा हमारे लिए.
No, but that's a good news for all of us, because everybody was like, "Aap chokro theatre chhodi na." And another question is, Pratik, what is the difference between Hindi cinema and Gujarati? You know, in terms of everything, from scripts to sets, par kyun hoy chhe? These are the kind of questions that are coming here, since you've done both. And which one do you like is also someone very slyly asking. Gujarati picture કરવાનું તમને ગમે છે કે હિન્દી?
તો ગુજરાતી પિક્ચરો અને હિન્દી પિક્ચરોમાં સૌથી મોટો ફરક જે છે ને, એ સ્કેલનો છે, પૈસાનો છે, રિસોર્સિસનો છે અને નામનો છે. બરાબર. હવે એ બહુ મોટો જ ફરક છે અને there is no comparison and we should never try to match.
Correct.
ના એનો કોઈ મતલબ જ નથી એવો. ગુજરાતી ફિલ્મ ને એમાં બીજો જે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ ડિફરન્સ જે દેખાય છે, because Hindi is already a settled cinema. It's a set industry, whereas Gujarati is still coming up, trying to create that constant business model, sustainable business model also for that matter. ઓડિયન્સના પોઈન્ટ ઓફ વ્યૂ તો બહુ બધો ડિફરન્સ છે કે યાર 100 રૂપિયા આપીને જોવું જ છે તો હિન્દી જોઈએ ને ગુજરાતી શું કામ, એવું પહેલા ઘણા લોકો વિચારતા હતા, જે હવે કદાચ એ પણ વસ્તુ બદલાઈ છે. મેજર ડિફરન્સ પ્રોફેશનલિઝમની જ્યાં સુધી વાત છે ને, તો એ છે ખાસો એવો ડિફરન્સ, because that's a set industry.
Correct.
And we are talking about something which is just budding, which is just coming up. So that difference is going to be there. Baki, as far as passion is concerned, I don't see a difference, because people are equally passionate in this field, you know. પછી એ કોઈ ભોજપુરી ફિલ્મ બનાવતો હોય, આસામી ફિલ્મ બનાવતો હોય, film सारी के खराब होई શકે. You know, there can be an issue of talent, there can be an issue of resources, but there is no issue of intent, is what I say, is what I feel, you know.
Awesome. Next question before I hand it over to Nandish is on the OTT platform. Two questions, Pratik. Today's news has said that all Netflix, Amazon, and other OTT platforms are going to see a censorship. What's your view on it? Because you are now the new big name in the OTT platform, with scam overthrowing a lot of other, things like Chernobyl, etc. So quickly, what is your take on it? The fact that there's going to be censorship now on the talks about it, serious talks about it. The government is going to. This is a
So
very interesting.
Bakshi છે ને, ચંદ્રકાંત બક્ષી છે ને, અચ્છા, how many of you can understand Gujarati? Major people can understand Gujarati?
A lot.
Yeah, there are
Just
many
for the most
Gujaratis.
extent.
There are many Gujaratis, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So બક્ષી ની એક બહુ interesting વાત હતી. I'll just take that example that I use in the play also. કે બક્ષીએ છે ને બહુ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગલી એવું કીધું હતું કે પ્રજાએ ક્યાંક ને ક્યાંક આવે એ વાત પણ સમજવી પડશે કે સારું થવું કે ખરાબ થવું એ તમારા પર સ્વયં નિર્ભર કરે છે. એના માટે કાયદા કાનૂન કે નિયમોની જરૂર નથી.
શું વાત છે, પ્રતીક?
And it's a very, very interesting insight that we all need to understand. Including, in fact, ભલે મહાત્મા ગાંધીના નામે કંઈ પણ લોકો વેચતા હોય, બોલતા હોય ને કરતા હોય, પણ ગાંધીજીનો પણ આ જ સિદ્ધાંત હતો. If you actually understand the spirit of him.
Right.
He never tried to impose anything on anybody, because the moment you impose, you will get rebellions. It's like a spring, you know.
Correct.
But
correct.
you create an atmosphere or design in such a way that things will fall in place on its own. So censorship તો હવે થિયેટરમાં પણ કરે છે લોકો, but theater is an
Correct.
actor's medium. The moment you are on stage, what do?
Correct.
Nobody can do anything.
Right.
Unless the
Right.
producer or director will rush on stage and tell me that don't say this or don't do this.
Right.
Which will never happen, right? Once
Right.
an actor
Right.
is on stage, he's on stage and that's it. It's a live medium.
Right.
So कितना और कहाँ सेंसर डालेंगे हम? मतलब
Correct.
ठीक है, अभी सेंसर की बहुत जरूरत अगर है तो गाड़ियों में है,
Right. Right.
so that you avoid accidents. There are good sensors required on the taps so that you don't touch the tap
Waste
and
water.
just
Yeah.
waste water.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
I guess put sensors there, not at this place.
Pratik Gandhi being absolutely subtle and not very subtle at the same time. Nandish, your question.
Yes. So
Nandish,
the next
Sheila
question.
Suleha.
Next question I want to ask is, I ask everyone this: what is your creative process? Okay, let me reframe this. How do you get into the skin of the character? Because I've seen you in character, and it is kind of your rule that until and unless you leave the stage, you don't leave the character. So I really want to know, how do you get into the skin of the character?
Okay, so now I mean, a lot of people have asked me this question, so I started thinking that how do I do it? And I started putting it in words. Baki, I have never studied a theory of it or never, followed any particular method. So I don't know where to call myself a method actor or no. But so what I do is that I actually follow the instinct. I follow the characteristics that I want to create in that character or portray. I actually try to add value to the script and not be a separate character in my mind. मतलब वो अकेला आदमी जाके छक्का मार के आएगा और खुद के लिए सेंचुरी नहीं बनाता हूं मैं. I have to be a part of the team and play for the script. So the way I understand the entire character is his role in this entire script. What are we trying to communicate to the audience? And how am I connecting the audience with the soul of the character? और ये सब कुछ जो भी मैं बोला ना, उसके पीछे कोई लॉजिक नहीं है, कोई मैथमेटिक्स नहीं है. The only thing is I feel it and I perform. Because if I don't feel, you never feel. If I fake it, you will catch it.
Correct.
If I try too hard, you will get tired to watching me. कि अरे यार बहुत ट्राई कर रहा है, मतलब he's trying too hard. So ये मैं बहुत क्लोजली मैं ऐसे समझता हूँ कि जब एक्टर बहुत ट्राई करता है ना, तो उसका हार्डवर्क देख के ऑडियंस थक जाती है. कि अरे यार मतलब बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, तो मतलब he's
रेवा
trying
दे
too
तू.
hard.
हाँ, कितना
रेवा दे यार, थोड़ा आराम कर ले ऐसा, And that's when I hear it from the audience कि मस्के जैसा performance, effortless.
हाँ,
So that
correct.
effortlessness comes only that you put all your effort behind. कर लो जो करना है पहले. When you are on stage, efforts can't be seen. You be the character and live like a character. फिर चाहे मेरा मेरा मतलब एक एक मसल यूज कर रहा हूँ, मैं उंगली उठा रहा हूँ, मैं कोई वर्ड यूज कर रहा हूँ, इवन इफ आई एम एडिंग एनीथिंग, यू नो, कुछ एडलिप ले रहा हूँ या कुछ इम्प्रोवाइजेशन भी कर रहा हूँ, देन आई हैव टू बी इन द कैरेक्टर एंड डू इट. खास थिएटर में बहुत होता है कि जब तालियां पड़ती है ना, तो आप अपने कैरेक्टर से बाहर जाके और 2 छक्के मारना चाहते हैं
हाँ,
कि और
हाँ.
थोड़े लाफ्टर ले लूं, यू नो, प्लेइंग टू द गैलरी इज व्हाट वी कॉल.
Correct.
So actor should know when to stop acting. And similarly, as a director, I feel when to stop directing and let the actor be, let the character flow.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Pratik, what are the next things you're working on?
So one Hindi film that I did, Bhavai, is ready to be released, which will be announced soon now. And I'm scam ने दुनिया चेंज कर दी है. तो जो लोग पहले ऐसा बोलते थे कि सर ये सीन है, ऐसा है, आप करेंगे क्या, वो लोग अभी ऐसा बोलते हैं सर एक नरेशन लेंगे क्या. So that's what is happening.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm getting good narrations. I'm meeting a lot of mainstream people, makers, directors for Hindi films and web series. So hopefully something interesting should get clicked soon.
Also, are you open to students sending you scripts? Because they are good writers, Pratik. Can
Why
they
not?
approach?
Why
because
not?
that-
अरे देखो यार, मेरा पूरा रिकॉर्ड देखो, अब तक सारे फर्स्ट टाइम डायरेक्टर के साथ काम किया है मैंने, मेजरली.
Correct, correct.
So yes, I'm open.
And Pratik Gandhi has proved to be lucky to a lot of first-time directors. So I guess the best way to connect with you is on Instagram, right? Pratik, they can send.
Yeah, Instagram. I had put up my business email ID also on Instagram, pratikgandhi.business@gmail.com. So yeah, scripts will reach me. And no, don't worry about the security of the script.
We will copy it, right, Pratik? So
Yeah, we will.
We'll copy it. Scam किया है तो अब तो करेंगे. Pratik, what are
I
the
might even sell it, you know.
Yeah, why not? Harshad Mehta. Two interesting questions, Pratik. One, scam करने के बाद, have you invested in the stock market? પોતે બધું રેવા
નહીં,
દે તે no.
મેં 15 શેર લીધા છે શીખવા માટે. એમાં શું થાય છે એના પછી આગળનું જોઈશું.
Oh, you're not like completely into it now, doing this finger, that finger, and like I have to.
No. I'm trying to learn this even in detail.
Okay, wow. Okay. The other thing, who are the directors you want to work with, Pratik? Like
Oh, there
really,
are
now
lot
that
of-
Pratik Gandhi has, people know him, you'll be like, मेरे को तेरे साथ है. कौन है? Who are the directors on your list, Pratik?
Of course, Ansel Mehta again and again and again
Of
and again.
course, amazing guy. Yeah.
Anurag Kashyap, Anurag Basu, Zoya Akhtar, Abhinav Sinha. There are a lot of directors there. Sanjay Leela Bhansali. मतलब कुछ जो चाबुक मार के ऐसा कुछ अच्छा निकाले अंदर से, वैसे कुछ.
हाँ. अच्छा वैसा भी हाँ. Wow. Okay. Sorry, I just got distracted because Kajal is sending me a message that even Aditi is waiting. Guys, we have time for 2 more quick questions because again Pratik is going to be Superman and go into other stuff. If there's anything that you want to ask, Pratik, this is your chance. You have exactly a minute to wrap. No, we're not asking him who won the Bihar elections. I will come there and slap you. Other than that, okay, who won the Bihar elections? Right. Theater artist, you're a theater artist and Nawazuddin Siddiqui as well. How do you see other theater artists from Bollywood in a way, in terms of their growth trajectory? Have they got typecasted, Pratik, in certain kind of roles? For example, when a Nawazuddin Siddiqui comes on stage, वो अपनी माँ बहन की गाली देगा, वो बेचारा अंडरडॉग का रोल करेगा, वो गंजेड़ी बन गया है. Pratik, do you think it's an okay trap? And if it is, you see, a typecasting of Pratik Gandhi happening?
Now, so see, the way I understand this is that as an actor, no, you have to be very, very conscious about it. That it's the same audience that want to see you in similar kind of roles in the beginning. कि नहीं ये आएगा ना तो comedy, मतलब आप तो comedy करो.
Correct.
मतलब हमें तो उसी में मजा. After 4 films, same set of people will say कि एक का एक काम करता है.
Correct.
जो आपसे वो करवाना चाहते थे, जो आपसे वो देखना चाहते थे, वही लोग आपको ये बोलेंगे. So as an actor, you have to be absolutely conscious that I don't want to cage myself in one image. मतलब मैं अगर स्क्रीन पे के स्टेज पे आ रहा हूँ, then people should think कि पता नहीं क्या होने वाला. That's the best place to be in. कि ये पता नहीं क्या करेगा यार. मतलब I am not coming to watch him to laugh और कि ये मस्त डायलॉग मारेगा और he is the best dancer or he is the best fighter or he is the best stunt guy. कोई एक इमेज चाहिए ही नहीं, एंड दैट्स द इमेज ऑफ एन एक्टर इज व्हाट आई लुक एट. सो एक्टर शुड बी लाइक वाटर. फिर आप चाहे उससे छाछ बनाओ, चाहे उसको विस्की में डाल दो, चाहे उससे शरबत बनाओ.
क्या बात है. तुमने डायलॉग्स भी तुम्ही ने लिखे हैं क्या स्कैम 1992 के? लग
नहीं,
रहा
उसके
है.
बाद मैं सीखा हूं कि कैसे बनाते हैं डायलॉग.
So by popular demand, Pratik, your favorite dialogue from Scam, and then a lot of people of my generation are requesting Mohan no Masalo no je last taru line se, the one that you delivered with so much power.
Ah.
If you
So
remember that,
my
you will
favorite
remember
dialogue,
it.
my favorite dialogue from Scam is, I guess I just said it, you know, सक्सेस क्या है, फेलियर के बाद का नया चैप्टर. एक तो वो है, और क्योंकि वो रिपीट किया था तो आपको दूसरा डायलॉग सुनना ही होगा, इसलिए मैं दूसरा बोल ही देता हूँ.
गुजराती है ना सब. आज तो आपने नहीं सुना हुआ आपने.
हाँ, मतलब वो પેલી ફ્રી ચટણી તો આપણે ટેવ છે ને આપણને ખમણ સાથે. मैं सिगरेट नहीं पीता पर जेब में लाइटर जरूर रखता हूँ, धमाका करने के लिए.
क्या बात है. और
सो मोहन नो
मोहन,
मसालो का जो
हाँ,
डायलॉग है ना,
वो लास्ट वाला तो दिल थाम के बैठे थे हम सब.
सो गुजराती में, राइट?
हाँ.
सो गुजराती में वो जो लास्ट डायलॉग था वो ऐसा है कि उनको चलती घोड़ा गाड़ी से फेंक दिया, मतलब बहुत मार रहे थे, एंड देन ही वाज लिटरली स्कैर्ड कि अब मैं मर जाऊंगा, હવે હું મરી જઈશ. પણ પેલા અંગ્રેજની આંખમાં જ્યારે ડર જોયો ને ત્યારે મને અંદરથી અવાજ આવ્યો, મેરુ તો ડગે રે જેના મન નો ડગે, ભલે ને ભાંગી પડે બ્રહ્માંડ રે. And that is it. That is the end of Mohan and beginning of Mahatma. The end is the beginning and the beginning is the end.
Swami Pratik Gandhi, ladies and gentlemen, Guruji. But Pratik, I know you have to rush. You need a breather space. Pratik, I hope we can call you as soon as life looks a little normal to our campus to meet, interact, and possibly even take workshops if you have time with storytelling.
Soon enough.
You know, because
Soon enough. Let's do
inshallah,
that.
I really hope so. Pratik, and
मुझे
I know
ज्यादा सिखाना आता नहीं है, मैं वहां आके कुछ सीख के जाऊंगा, but I'm ready to do that.
No, that will be great. We would love to have, especially storytelling, because you are a storyteller as an actor, as a director, as a performer, you know, and we want to understand storytelling from your point of view because you're now the finest for most of us, Pratik, and the tarif nahi kar rahi hu, but I'm being upfront and honest. You are one of the finest. Also, I think your story resonates with our students because you come from a background of teachers, from people who see you work hard. બધાને એવું છે કે આ કઈ actor family નથી, nepotism નથી, or whatever, કે ભાઈ આને easy પડી ગયું, you know. So for us, it is not just આપનો Pratik, it is a grounded Pratik, a Pratik who's approachable. Pratik, you have to run. Thank you so much. You have made the Diwali break, I think, memorable for all our students. Nandish, any last words for Pratik? Other than Pratik Gandhi, I love you. You want to say something? You can say that as well.
Thank you.
Oh,
And
thank you
now-
very much. Thank you very much, guys. Love you guys. Thanks a lot, Preeti, for having me. And I'm sorry that you guys had to wait. Have a happy Diwali, safe Diwali. बाहर निकलो तो मास्क पहने निकल जाए.
Pratik, I really hope to see you in person soon.
Soon enough. जल्दी जल्दी एकदम जल्दी.
Yeah, and good luck. Good luck with all your ventures, Pratik. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you, everyone.
Take care. Bye. Thank you, each and
Bye,
every
bye.
one of you, on behalf of Karnavati University and United World School of Liberal Arts and Mass Communication. Nandish, Jay Khatri, thank you very much for the back end support, Univation, and all others who've been there controlling things. And those nasty people sending nasty comments, we'll see you later. I am the additional director of Karnavati University's Department of Liberal Arts and Mass Comm. Look us up on the website. Follow us. We keep bringing in amazing guests, and we are a very robust kick-ass department, right? Nandish, any last words to say bye-bye and happy Diwali?
And ma'am, thank you everyone for joining. And that's about it. Have a safe Diwali. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you all.
Make sure you're following the USLM ka Insta ID, guys. It's in the chat. Just go check it out. And thank you very much for tuning in.